Racing just is started with Aloha. Break quickly at the start. Pedro Penduko moving up now. Ariel Sarin Query. Fleetwood in the middle portion. Then comes Boyo to the mark. Down on the inside now is entry number 4. And this one is Soul Invictus. While Aloha is the early trailer by about 8 lengths of the leader. And going along for the first turn, we have Pedro Penduko by our length and a half. Fleetwood in second. Soul Invictus is down on the inside third. Then on the outside Inquiry. Then next on line is Boyo moving up to the mark. While Aloha still racing and less. Inside the tres octavo we have Pedro Penduko by about 2 lengths. Fleetwood in second, and on the outside third Inquiry. Down on the inside Boyo, then comes to the mark. Next on line is Soul Invictus, while Inquiry is still racing in less. And Diana entering the home stretch. We have Pedro Penduko by our length and a half. Down on the inside is Fleetwood as they swing for home. We have Pedro Penduko. Fleetwood is running by the rail second with about 100 meters of the race. We have Pedro Penduko by about 4 lengths, followed by Fleetwood, and finally it's Pedro Penduko, Fleetwood, Inquiry, then comes Boyo, Soul Invictus.
37854. Ano